Ayoko. Char. Ayan na. Face your fears.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Hi everyone and welcome back again to my channel, and this is Jessica. So today's video we are going somewhere. We are planning to visit the Omuro. Yun, basta sa bundok siya. So we are here at the second train and let's check the view outside. Today it's quite cloudy and we kind of left na parang may bagyo pa ata that day, so hopefully it will not be so heavy pag nandun na kami sa tuktok ng mountain. So ayun lang yung worry ko for today's gala. And here we are, Omuro lift, and as you can see, it's a very long, we got a very long line, and that is the chair lift. As in chair lang siya, guys, so I'm quite afraid kung kaya ko ba siya, kasi nga diba, nakikita mo talaga as in, tapos parang hindi ka safe, ganyan, o diba? So natural monument yung Mount Omuro. And it was designated by the national government. Ayan. So, ayan. Yung line niya is meron siyang restaurant. And the fee for this is 1,000 for adult and 500 naman for kids. Ayan. So, gano'n nga ba kataas to? Actually, hindi ko alam. Basta mataas siya. Load muna tayo. Ayan, may mga rules. Ayan, it's 580 meters. Laban! Ayan, while nakapila ka, dun ka na rin bibili ng ticket. Ayan, this is the ticket. Oh, yan yung itsura ng Mount Omuro. And this is the chairlift. Di ba nakakatakot, guys? Actually, ako natatakot eh. Kasi takot ako sa heights. So, malapit na kami sa line. So, parang ayan na, lumalabas ng aking kaba-kaba. Ayoko na talaga. Pero, grabe si Granny, laban. Panalo. Hindi takot yan. Sana all. Adventurous pa si Lola. And as you can see, pwede din magdala ng pets. Like dogs. Diba? Nakaganon lang. Lapit na talaga namin. Please don't swing the lift. Jumping off the lift is strictly prohibited. Ayun yung mga rules nila. So, of course, hindi ko naman gagawin yun kasi nga, diba, super afraid ako. Ayun. As you can see, tutulak sila ni Manong. Tutulak tayo ni Manong. And then, kayo yung ng handle nyo. Magbababa. Like that one, oh. Take a look. Oh, ay, binaba pala nila. Ayan, that's the doggy. Sana all, no? Ang galing. Buti hindi parang natatakot yung aso. Kasi diba, heights din yan. Parang ka-afraid naman. Ayan na, yung pag-akyat namin. And, as I said before, may bagyo niyan. So, windy talaga. Ayan o, diba? Nag-ano ako. nag-flip ng pawn, and that's kind of umuuga-uga talaga. Ayan, nandiyan na kami, nakababa na kami, ayan na, and of course, may mga anime merch, kasi parang dun sa anime na to, nagamit din yung Mount Omuro, parang pumunta din sila to have camp, so ayan, amazing, diba, cute no, Euro camp. And ayan yung mga makikita natin or mabibili natin here at Mount Omuro. And this is the popcorn maker. Parang 300 yen yun eh. And this is Omuro. Protective charm. Ganon. Yan. Ayan. Ang mga magnets. Actually, hindi ako nakabili ng magnets eh. Bawal pa kasi akong bumili. Ayan, that's the anime merch. Camping. And this is the view of the Mount Omuro. And as parang maiikot mo siya within 20 minutes. As in yung palibot niya, maiikot mo siya. So, ayan, that's the view. And it's windy, super windy, diba? Kita nyo naman. And check out muna natin. Exposure muna siya. Charing lang. Saglit na exposure niya. Ayun. So, that's the view and we are walking around. Enjoy namang maglakad pero kasi ang lamig pala sa taas. So, sana hindi ako nag-t-shirt lang. Long sleeves sana. Oh, kita nyo yan. Yung mga damo, diba? Panalo. that's it for our video about Mount Omuro Relief, and short time lang talaga kami dito kasi it's quite small, and we decided to have a wax museum, and near lang din siya dun sa Mount Omuro. And as you can see, it is raining na talaga and quite heavy din. So this the wax museum, ayan, as you can see, may mga figures na sa labas like this one. And as we came here, it says na hindi pala kami pwedeng mag-video sa pinakaloob niyan. So I just got a few videos, something like that. Ayun, so bawal palang mag-video. Bye! That's it!
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop.